This is John D. Callahan. It is August 17th, 2023, and this is my prototype of a solar pool water heater. And this is about a 20,000 gallon in-ground pool. It started at 70 degrees and the cover raised the temperature about 5, 6, 7 degrees. And then this is my pride and joy. This is my solar water heater, and we can see that the temperature is 98 degrees. And it'll dump one of these buckets, which is about 2 gallons, every few minutes, about 4 minutes. So it's about 2 gallons in 4 minutes approximately. It varies more than I would think. Same with the temperature. But usually it's above 90, and it'll dump 2 gallons in a few minutes, up to maybe 4 or 5 minutes. And this is the unit over here. So this is the way I've designed this is a powered cell and an unpowered cell, and they each have 500 feet of irrigation tubing in them. And I got both the irrigation tubing and the storage. This is a 200 quart or 50 gallon storage unit, and then I covered it with some plastic. Obviously, I got all these materials at Home Depot, and then off Amazon I got a pump that's down in there. And I got a transfer pump for $50. So often the reason these things don't work is they're not scaled up enough. And so I'm thinking, put a greenhouse here. And so put a greenhouse here, put these units inside, and scale at least 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then probably maybe a table or something, and get another 4. So 8 total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 total. As many as I can. So if I make this big enough, I'll get gallons a minute. Let's see if it's 8. If I scale that up 8 times, then I'll get about 4 gallons a minute, which is about 2 of these buckets every minute. Dumping 90 plus degree, even close to 100 right now, water into the pool. So that probably, you can do the math, that will probably raise the temperature sufficiently into the 80s or probably the 90s in July at least, to make it a comfortable pool. But the trick is going to be to scale this up, which is fairly simple. This is a fairly simple, easy design. It's just a matter of doing it, and likely work. So I'm just debating whether to do that or fix the gas heater, which breaks frequently and also uses several hundred dollars worth of gas per month. We had a bill as high as almost $1,000 at one point. And then this is pretty much free once it's built. You probably guess the cost. An unpowered cell is only about $100, and a powered cell is about $150. So you do the math, and I'll put a greenhouse here. So anyway, that's the plan. It was an interesting experiment. So gone from thinking it might work to thinking it won't work. thinking it probably will if I scale it up enough. And just debating whether to go ahead and do that.